outside.
Nobody not perfect, but you don't need to be worthless, cause there's always a way. Always a way. Society make you feel like there's no hope, but there's always a way. Always a way. People always have a lot of negative to say, but there's always a way. Always a way. Just believe. Read your Bible and pray, cause there's always a way. I know you will achieve, don't say you won't. A lot of people give up, but I don't. That's why I try my best to make it. Go ahead and take it, cause if you're not progressive, you're not count. Success not come easy, you better believe. Hard work with determination will achieve. When me see people give up, me grieve, but I'll be here making honey like nobody not perfect, but you don't need to be worthless, cause there's always a way. Always a way. Society make you feel like there's no hope, but there's always a way. Always a way. People always have a lot of negative to say, but there's always a way. Always a way. Just believe. Read your Bible and pray, cause there's always a way. Always have a plan B, a plan A, fail. Nobody make negativity be real. Know which line to cross, make sure you think fast, and always feel the Almighty and Him will. Stay focused and keep you cool. A patient but don't be no boy footstool. Be yourself and don't pretend, cause when they well done in the head, and you are gonna look like the fool. Nobody not perfect, but you don't need to be worthless, cause there's always a way. Always a way. Society make you feel like there's no hope, but there's always a way. Always a way. People always go up a lot of negative to say, but there's always a way. Always a way. Just believe. Read your Bible and pray, cause there's always a way. I know you will achieve, don't say you won't. A lot of people give up, but I don't. That's why I try my best to make it. Go ahead and take it, cause if you're not progressive, you're not count. Success not come easy, you better believe. Hard work with determination will achieve. When me see people give up, me grieve, but I'll be here making honey like nobody not perfect, but you don't need to be worthless, cause there's always a way. Always a way. Society make you feel like there's no hope, but there's always a way. Always a way. People always have a lot of negative to say, but there's always a way. Always a way. Just believe. Read your Bible and pray, cause there's always a way. Always have a plan B, a plan A, nobody make negativity be real. Know which line to cross, make sure you think fast, and always heal the Almighty and Him will. Stay focused and keep it cool. A patient but don't be no boy footstool. Be yourself and don't pretend, cause when they well done in the end, and you are gonna look like the fool. Nobody not perfect, but you don't need to be worthless, cause there's always a way. Always a way. Society make you feel like there's no hope, but there's always a way. Always a way. People always go up a lot of negative to say, but there's always a way. Always a way. Just believe. Read your Bible and pray, cause there's always a way.
Toast it, baby. Everybody got to dig it out, yeah? Baby.
This fucking bitch got $300 from me, until I come in tomorrow. Fucking walk. Yeah, you go around as close as I can tomorrow. Gotta get the van out today tomorrow, man. Gotta get it out.
I'll play that. Playing a design.